If you have a little bit of sun, maybe on your sidewalk or your porch, you can grow in containers. I'm going to show you how on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Regardless of what you want to grow in a container, you have 4 things that you have to make sure that you take care of in your container gardening. Let's talk containers for a second. We have our old standby right here, the terracotta pot. Because they are not glazed, they can dry out faster. They can get pretty large, but they cost a decent amount of money. Plastic is another great choice for your containers. These are lightweight. They come in an amazing array of sizes and shapes and colors. One of my favorite ways to grow, especially if I want to grow vegetables, is in a grow bag. They come in a vast array of sizes, shapes, and colors. Now that you have your container, we need to fill that container up with soil. That can be a topsoil product, that can be a compost product. Make sure though that when you fill your containers with soil, you fill them all the way up. Our number 3 we're going to talk about is watering strategies. Make sure that you hydrate the entire volume of soil in this container, and that means you water slow. Fertilizer is number 4. When you are filling your container with your soil product, you can add a slow-release granular fertilizer and mix that in with a trowel. A second way to fertilize is going to be water-soluble fertilizer. For more information, head to go.osu.edu/Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.